Once upon a time, in a charming village surrounded by lush meadows and whispering woods, lived a bright-eyed girl named Sophie. With her wild curls and boundless curiosity, Sophie loved to explore the forest near her home. Every day, she would set off on new adventures, imagining herself as a fearless explorer discovering magical lands. One misty morning, Sophie ventured further into the forest than ever before. The air was filled with the sweet scent of wildflowers, and the leaves rustled softly in the breeze. As she walked along a winding path, she noticed a peculiar shimmer between the trees. Intrigued, she followed the light until she arrived at a hidden glade bathed in a golden glow. In the center of the glade stood a unicorn unlike any Sophie had ever seen. Its coat was a radiant white, and its horns sparkled with an array of colors, like a rainbow trapped in crystal. The unicorn's eyes were kind and filled with a wisdom that seemed ancient and magical. Sophie's eyes widened in wonder. "Are you a unicorn?" The unicorn nodded and took a graceful step toward her. "Indeed, I am. My name is Lumina. I've been waiting for you, Sophie." Sophie's heart raced with excitement. "You know my name?" Lumina's horn glowed warmly. "I do. I've seen you exploring the forest, and I've sensed your kind heart and adventurous spirit. I need your help with something very special." Sophie's curiosity piqued. "What do you need help with?" Lumina lowered her head and touched the ground with her horn. The earth beneath her began to shimmer, revealing a hidden door covered in ivy. "This is the entrance to the Enchanted Realm, a magical place where dreams come alive. But recently, the realm has fallen into darkness. A spell has been cast that has made it impossible for anyone to enter or leave." Sophie gasped. "What can we do to help?" Lumina's eyes sparkled with hope. "There is a powerful crystal hidden deep within the Enchanted Realms that can restore its light and magic. But to find it, you must solve 3 riddles and overcome 3 challenges." Sophie nodded determinedly. "I'm ready." With a flick of Lumina's horn, the hidden door creaked open, revealing a path that sparkled with golden light. Sophie stepped through the door and found herself in a land of wonder. The sky was a swirling canvas of colors, and the trees seemed to hum with life. The first riddle appeared in the form of a talking owl perched on a tree branch. "To find the crystal's light, you must answer this. I have cities but no houses, forests but no trees, and rivers but no water. What am I?" Sophie thought for a moment, then her face lit up with realization. "A map!" The owl hooted in approval, and a golden pathway appeared, leading to a shimmering lake. Here, Sophie faced her first challenge, crossing the lake. The water was filled with playful, magical creatures that leapt and twirled. Sophie had to navigate across stepping stones that shifted and changed. With Lumina's guidance, Sophie used her agility and bravery to cross the lake. On the other side, she encountered a gentle dragon who guarded the entrance to the next challenge. The dragon's riddle was, "I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have nobody, but I come alive with the wind. What am I?" Sophie pondered and then exclaimed, "An echo." The dragon smiled and allowed her to pass. The final challenge took her to a towering mountain. At its peak, she faced a magical storm of swirling colors and winds. Using her courage and Lumina's magic, Sophie braved the storm and reached the summit, where she found the glowing crystal nestled in a bed of flowers. With the crystal in hand, Sophie and Lumina returned to the Enchanted Realm's entrance. As the crystal's light bathed the realm, the darkness lifted, and the land sparkled once more with vibrant colors. The creatures of the realm cheered, and Lumina's horn shone brighter than ever. "You did it, Sophie," Lumina said with a joyous nuzzle. "The Enchanted Realm is restored, thanks to your bravery and kindness." Sophie beamed with pride. "Thank you for trusting me with this adventure." As a token of gratitude, Lumina gifted Sophie a small, sparkling gem that would allow her to visit the Enchanted Realm whenever she wished. With a final wave, Sophie returned to her village, her heart filled with the magic of her extraordinary journey. From that day on, Sophie continued to explore the world with a sense of wonder, knowing that magic and adventure were always just a step away. And in the hidden corners of the forest, the legend of Sophie and the talking unicorn lived on, inspiring others to believe in the magic that lies within us all.